Hello everyone. So in today's video we will see how to use multi-sig feature or multi-signature feature in Minotaur wallet on Ergo blockchain. So we can find a Minotaur wallet download link in Ergo platform official website. So here we can click on buy it. Here you can see Minotaur wallet, Nautilus wallet, Certificate wallet and CFW wallet. I have also made a video on this on all this wallet, but today we will see Minotaur wallet because it supports multi-sig feature. So we will click on this link, and here we can see there are 11 releases, and here we can find the latest version of Minotaur wallet. So .apk file is for Android, .dmg file is for Mac users, and .exe file is for Windows. I am using Windows, so I will download this .exe file. So here now I will choose only for me. For next, and here you can choose the destination folder, here in which folder you want to install Minotaur wallet. Then click on install. So here it is restored my old wallet, which is user 1. So you can also create a new wallet by clicking on this plus icon. Here you can create a new wallet, you can restore your old wallet, or you can add your read-only wallet from a ledger, or we can add a multi-sig wallet. We will add multi-sig wallet, but first we will create a new wallet, a base wallet. So here we have to give my wallet a name. I will keep it as name user 0. So here it is generate a mnemonic seed phrase. Write it down your seed phrase in a very secure place, and in a copy, and keep it in a secure place, as you know. So I will write it down, this mnemonic seed phrase. So now it's asking us to generate a password. So we will generate a new password. So our base wallet has been created with the name is user 0. You can also install Minotaur wallet on Ubuntu from Snapcraft. So here we will open Snapcraft link. I will also so here it is, and we will come. So I will also drop this Snapcraft link in the description. So here we can click on install, and then this view in desktop store, then open link. Then we'll click on install. And the Minotaur wallet will be installed in our Ubuntu. And our Minotaur wallet has been installed on Ubuntu. We can check this on our all apps menu. So our Minotaur wallet is been installed. And now we can add a new wallet in our Minotaur app. So our wallet has been created, and I've created 3 wallet with user 1, and the 2 wallet is in my virtual machine, like user 2 and this and user 3. So now we will create a multi-sig wallet. So we will click on this plus icon and click on this add multi-sig wallet. Now we will give it a name, user 1. Now we can select how many cosigners and signature we can select. So for now I am selecting 3 cosigners, and it will require 3 cosigners, and it will require 3 signature. We can also select 2 signature, like if there are 3 wallets and if any 2 have signed the transaction, then the transaction will be completed. So we will choose the 3 cosigners. We will click on next, or we can select 2. Now here we will select our wallet, user 1. Now we have to enter the public key of other 2 wallets, extended public key. So we will go here, we will click on this wallet, and here then addresses. Here we can see our extended public key. And now we'll paste it here. Now we will copy extended key of our third wallet. So now we have copied both the extended public key and pasted, and now we click on next and then OK. So now the multi-sig wallet has been added to this wallet. Now we have to do the same step on other 2 wallets also. So now we will add multi-sig wallet in user 2 wallet. We'll give it a name, user 2. Next, and we have to select the same option, like 3 cosigner and 2 signature. Then we select a wallet, and now we have to paste extended public key of both the wallet. Now we will do it for the same for user 3 wallet. Now select our wallet and we'll paste our extended public key. The order is not required, we can put in any order, like we can put user 3 and user 1 public key in any order. So we have successfully created a multi-sig wallet and all three are wallet. Now we will send some Ergo to this wallet.
A few minutes later.
So I have received 0.10 Ergo on this wallet address, and now we will create a multi-sig transaction. So and as you can see, this 0.10 Ergo is other two wallet also, like this user 2 and this user 3. This user 4 account has been created while I am trying a multi-signature transaction, so and we can only focus on this user 3. So now we will create a multi-signature transaction. So for we will click on send, and now we will paste address for where we have to send this transaction. So we will copy this user 2 account, we will send the Ergo to user 2 base wallet. So we have copied this wallet address. I will paste this wallet address here, and we will send 0.08 Ergo to this wallet address. And now we click on send. Here it asks for our wallet password. Create commitment, and now we will copy this to clipboard, and we'll paste this data to other two wallet, and then we will paste their data to this wallet. So here we go to send, and then go to multi-sig communication page. Here we will click on clipboard. As we have copied this on my clipboard, so we'll just paste this here. Create commitment, and then copy this data, and this go to user 3. Send communication page. Now we click on clipboard. So basically it's just sharing the data which either the transaction data, so that the wallet will understand that they have mutually sharing the data, and they have mutually agreed to sign this transaction. Now copy it to this, and then clipboard, process sign transaction. Now transaction signed completely. Now send transaction. The transaction generations and submitted to network. It can take up to 2 minutes. So yes, now we have sent 0.08 Ergo to user 2 wallet, and then completed. Now the user 2 wallet will receive 0.08 Ergo. You can read this guide also. It is posted on Ergo blogs, and it has written all the steps of how to do a transaction, and what type of wallets are multi-sig wallets are. I have also made a video, a graphical video at the end. Watch if you want to understand how many types of multi-sig wallets are and what are the pros and cons. You can also read this PDF. It's for multi-signature wallet by Minotaur wallet, and it has some technical aspect. If you understand, you can read it, and it is written in TypeScript.
2 very boring minutes later.
So transaction has been sent, and it is an example of 2 of 3 multi-sig wallet, which means that any 2 can also sign a transaction from 3, and you can choose any of the number till 20. Like you can choose 4 out of 5, like from 5 users, any 4 can sign a transaction, and the transaction can be completed. And you can choose up to 20 co-signers, and signatures will be less than 20, like which how many co-signers you have selected. So I have also made it a animated video, so which can help you understand some basic info about the multi-sig wallet. Here I've talked about how many types of multi-sig wallets are and what are its pros and cons. So watch it. Minotaur wallet is a multi-platform wallet developed on Ergo using TypeScript. The wallet is extended in order to support multiple signature. Multi-sig wallet uses more than one private key to authorize transactions. Such a wallet can be managed by a single user holding multiple private keys, multiple users holding a single key each, or any combination of the two scenarios. Types of multi-signature wallets: 1 of 2 multi-sig wallet, 2 of 2 multi-sig wallet, and 2 of 3 multi-sig wallet. 1 of 2 multi-sig wallet. These type of wallets are most useful when there are only 2 people sharing a multi-sig wallet. With 1 of 2 multi-sig wallets, only one of your private keys are necessary to complete a transaction. This requires that both parties should trust each other, which depending on the scenario can have potential drawbacks. 2 of 2 multi-sig wallet. The purpose of 2 of 2 multi-sig wallet is to keep private keys on 2 separate devices. For example, one private key should be kept on a computer and the other on a smartphone. This ensures that transaction cannot be completed without a signature from both devices. 2 of 3 multi-sig wallet. This type of wallet requires 2 of 3 existing private keys to authorize and complete transaction. You can replace the 2 of 3 with higher number if more users are utilizing the same multi-sig wallet. For example, you could replace the 2 of 3 with 3 of 4 or 4 of 5 if you have 4 users instead of 3. In this case, it could take 3 out of 4 users to complete a transaction. In a multi-sig wallet with m is equals to private keys or cosigners, depending on its configuration, any transaction may require n, which is signature, where 1 is less than equals to n and n is less than equals to m, and m is always less than 20, and all signers must enter the same value of m and n. In Ergo blockchain, a transaction is prepared in 2 steps before being submitted to the transaction pool. The required commitments are generated. The transaction is signed using the commitments or data. Pros and cons. Pros: multi-sig wallets adds an additional layer of security when compared to traditional non-custodian wallet. The fact that one can have multiple private keys or multiple people can have a private key essentially creates a two-factor authentication mechanism for the wallet. A multi-sig wallet also promotes collaboration among team members when it comes to the seamless utilization of their pooled fund. Multi-sig crypto wallet ensures that the majority of signers are on the same page. They have to agree on a transaction in order to be executed. Cons. A significant drawback of multi-sig wallet is that if one or more of the members forgets or loses their private key, the funds in question will be inaccessible. Multi-sig wallets also require a collaborative and communicative relationship between those who are working together towards a common goal. This could potentially be a con because one must rely on their team member in order to execute a transaction. It takes a autonomy away from the individual. So that's all for the today. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you soon in the next video.